This is your day. Be what you want. Have you a cake? Buy up the mall. This is your day. Let's celebrate. The world is on notice that you get your way. Happy birthday.
Alam mo lang, maingay ako sa daan din eh. Kahit na wala ka din, kinakausap ko sarili ko.
Talaga?
Oo. Wala talaga akong pasensya sa ganito eh.
So ano naman reklamo mo dyan?
Hindi
Kaya
ka
pala.
na mo, mga tokmol.
Ay, kasi nga, kaya traffic kasi nga may ginagawa doon. So, hintay ka, kasi mo sila
Hindi, dapat yung mga paliko nandito para liliko. Dire-diretso sana tayo dito. Kaya lang, may mga nakaharang doon sa harapan, kaya hindi makaliko yung mga liliko. Gets mo?
Gawan mo, pagdaan mo.
For the ladies, hey girl, you have a perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Just today I swear I'm not doing anything. No, I ain't gonna comb my hair, 'cause I ain't going anywhere. No, 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 no. I'll just strut in my birthday suit and let everything hang loose. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tranza, que yo me voy pa' allá, me dices ven pa' acá, vente pa' acá, y ahí te voy pa' allá, me voy pa' allá, vienes de lado, pero le caigo. Kwento mo yan, masama ako dyan, kasi kwento mo yan, masama ako dyan, malamang. Ayaw mong malamangan, kwento mo yan.
Ang mga titas of Manila maaga nang umuuwi. Ang mga titas of Manila irritable pag walang kape. Ang mga titas of Manila sa GC medyo marites. Ang mga titas of Manila hindi magpapahuli.
Pagkagawa mo agad bumibigay.
Happy birthday, Ninang! Say happy birthday. Sus, happy birthday, Be. Ayan, 40 years old ka na. Welcome to our club ng mga 40s. Ayan, anyway, age is just a number, ika nga, di ba? So, hindi naman talaga halata sa edad ang itsura. Di ba? You're still a hot and sexy. Di ba? Parang hindi kumukupas ang ganda. Ayan. Anyway, ayan, thank you. Thank you na natin. Diba? Anyway, happy birthday, Be. Ayan, thank you for the friendship. We're so blessed to have you. Ayan, alam mo yan. And thank you for the 8 years and more na pagdadaanan pa natin. Ayan, sobrang saksi ikaw sa almost a decade ng buhay ko. Ayan, sobrang ang dami na rin natin pinagdaanan. And then, siyempre, thankful ako na talagang hindi tayo pinababayaan ng Lord, yung friendship na yun. So, still stronger. Ayan. Talagang na bawat taon na magkasama tayo. Mas lalong lumalalim yung love natin sa isa't isa. Kaya di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo, tinutuloy na kita na parang kapatid. Ayan, kasi iba yung pagmamahal, yung oras na binibigay mo for me, lalo na kay Bia. Ayan, di ba? Sobrang na-appreciate ko yan. Alam ng Lord ang desire ng puso ko kung paano ko masusuklian lahat ng kabutihan ng binibigay mo sa akin. Di ba? So, ito yung paraan ko na abala ako ng mga taong alam kong bahagi ng buhay mo na alam kong magiging masaya ka. Para ngayong birthday mo. Ayan. Sobrang ito na kasi yung paraan ko sa ngayon na magbabahagi ako sa'yo ng bagay na hindi ko binili o hindi siya material na bagay, kundi yung oras namin na binigay namin para sa'yo is yung talaga yung value at nagtitreasure talaga sa friendship. Ayan, ang wish ko sa'yo is magiging healthy ka. Siyempre, dahil alam naman natin, di ba, na alam naman natin, kailangan nyo talaga yung pinagpipray ko na maging healthy ka. Siyempre, and of course, continue talaga yung joy ng puso mo at pagmamahal na binibigay sa'yo namin, ng anak mo, especially ni Mario. Ayan, deserve mo yan kasi sobrang buti ng puso mo. Ayan, sana patuloy tayong magkakasama tayong lahat, including lahat ng friend, kung sino man yung friends natin around us na may kanya-kanya tayong calling sa Lord na magpakalalim. So, yun yung pinaka-guide natin sa friendship. Ayan. Ang wish ko talaga sa iyo is more happiness, more joyful, more love, more blessing. Ayan. Kung meron ka man, kung meron ka pang hinihiling na wish, sana matupad yun at i-grant yun sa'yo ng Lord. Happy birthday, Be. I love you so much.
We've been through it all from the start. A friendship that's touched my heart. A bond that's so strong, it's hard to explain. Grateful for a friend.
Soul sisters share a bond that even distance and time cannot break. Interpret mo. Di ba? Happy year, happiest birthday to my soul sister, RONALYN Losa. Happy birthday, Be. 40 ka na. Matanda ka na. Hindi na natin kayang baliktarin pa yan. Pero ang importante is that you look younger than before. Maganda ka, day. Maganda ka, day. So, yun nga, I do not have to say how much you're dear to me, because I know that you know how much I love you. But since nandito na tayo, I'll say it over and over again, that I love you. Walang halong chemical dye. So, yun nga. Anytime na nagda-doubt ka ng sarili mo, I want you to know that to me, and to those who know you and who loves you, for us, you are a living treasure. Living treasure. By that, I mean na isa kang precious stones. Hindi ko alam sinasabi ko. Kaya lang naglalag na kasi utak ko eh. Ano ka? You are a living treasure because you are so generous. By that, I mean not just generous in giving financial assistance, but in everything. Your time, your effort, you are generous. You are so generous. And the kind of friendship that you offer is really raw, is rare. It's really rare and really pure. So you are one of the most genuine persons I know. And I am thankful that I am thankful to call you a sister and a friend in one. Thank you for making me, thank you for letting yourself be part of my family, and thank you as well for allowing me to be part of yours. I do not know the timing of the Lord, but I just know that He has prepared so many good things for you. Patuloy tayo sa Lord. Huwag tayong patigilin ng kahit na anong sitwasyon. Since nakakilala ka na rin sa Kanya, sana dumating din yung panahon na tayo lahat na magkakaibigan ay lumalim sa pananampalataya. Di ko lang alam yung kailan, pero one thing I know and I would love to believe is lahat tayo lalago sa Panginoon. Yun lang. I love you and I will always will.
This friendship is all we need. Best friends forever. We'll never forget the days of laughter and no regret. In our hearts, it'll.
Hey Verona, good morning and happy birthday to you. Thanks for being such an amazing friend and for sharing so many beautiful adventures with us. To mention like those which we travel last time in the previous years, which going to the mountains, to the lakes, to the waterfalls, rivers, and so many more, especially those which we experienced in a long trip. And I remember you become our driver because we're too tired already of continuously driving without stop. And at the same time, I wish you good health, prosperity, and happiness. And of course, Be, I wish you to be with us in our next journey again, adventure to creation of our fantastic memories in the future, Be. Cheers and be happy, and God bless to you, Be.
Hi Rona, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God's give you long life and more blessings. Take care always.
Hi, B! Happiest birthday! Always stay pretty. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Smile ka lang lagi. This is your day. Forget mo muna lahat ng stressful things na nangyari these past few days, these past few months. You deserve to be relaxed for your birthday. Yun lang. Just want you to know that I'm glad that I met you and be one of your friend na. Yun lang. Happy birthday and God bless.
Mars, woke up like this ako. Happy birthday. Love you, Mars. O, sexy na.
Happy birthday, Phoebe! Ayan, ha? Kahit nagpapacar wash ako. Oh, basta ikaw. Ika lang tatawag sa akin ng lasing ka, tapos alakaling oras. Kinakabahan ako.
What happened wasn't right, but it's okay, I forgive you. And I'll find my way. We're learning as we go, taking it steady, taking it slow. I forgive and I'll work on forgetting. We can retry when ready, so no more regretting. When it feels right, when we're in sync, we'll come back together. No need to think. Our friendship will bloom like it did before. Love all.
Hi, babe! Happy 40th birthday! Oh my gosh, 40 ka na. Parang 26 ka lang noon. Grabe, ang bilis. I just wish you all the best. More blessings. Lahat ng blessings na natatanggap mo ngayon, deserve mo lahat yan. I'm always here for you. Sana lagi kang healthy. Wish ko, yun lang. Lagi kang healthy and masaya. I've seen you through so many life phases, the highs and the lows. But look at you now. You are wiser, stronger, and you're the best version of yourself. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. Yun lang. Hindi ko alam na sabihin ko. Pero, oh yeah, that's it. Naiiyak ako. Bye! I just want you to be happy and sana, mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Love you!
You don't have nights like this, or it'll be morning before it ends. The kind you don't forget, worth every dollar you overspend. Until you find the last forever, make your bed, crazy good company. You don't have nights like this, unless you got friends like these.
Hi, Mare!
Happy birthday
To you!
Happy birthday to you.
Mare, no more long messages. Alam mo na yun. Yeah, we love you, Mare.
Thank you, ma. Love you.
Thank you, Mare. I love you. I'm so happy that you're my friend. We love you so much. From the moon and back. Happy birthday.
From US.
Oh, akala mo, hindi lang yon. Ayan. So, dahil hindi ko makontak si Mario, dahil wala naman talaga kaming kontak kay Mario, meron akong isang special guest. Ayan, may special guest ako ng mag-greet sa'yo ng happy birthday. And for sure, na sana ano ba yan, Bia? Na sana. Bia, stop! Na sana mapakilig kita ng very, very light. Ayan.
Rona, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and I wish you you enjoy your day. I know you're already blessed, but I wish you more blessings pa na dumating because you have a good heart. Napakalinis ng puso mo and hindi ka madamot magbigay ng pagmamahal at attention sa kapwa mo. Thank you for welcoming me as part of your family, Rejoice's family, and I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Ingat. Bye-bye.